See down there, that left-hand swirl is about a foot in. Then there's a place where there is none, but it, see how that kind of goes in there at the top? I think that's where the hole is. And I think if we could just do this maybe every couple of years, or year, or 6 months or so, I think we could use the screen would hold the epoxy. The problem is how much are we going to fill it up in the bottom? It changes. Changes the pipe, the thickness of the pipe, and this roughness here in the first. Is that too rough? I don't think so. But certainly it's going to catch on the edges. Not a lot, and it definitely, we can't have somebody come in with a router and route this thing out. It'll just rip this thing off the wall. It just shreds. Alright, I'll see if I can get a long hit